Show me the life hack that you randomly saw one day that is now an unconscious standard practice in your life. I'll go first.
POV, you realize that Caulk is a DIYer's best friend to cover up literally all imperfections, and then you just learned of the best hack to save your Caulk tubes from drying out. Stick a screw in the tip once you're done, and you'll never have to throw away half-dried tubes ever again. On expensive looking curtains, but you don't want to pay an expensive price, I've got an amazing curtain hack for you guys, and of course that includes a trip to IKEA. I headed to the curtain section and picked up the style in white and the super pretty forest green. Now the first trick is this pack of ring clips for $5, and I also picked up a curtain rod for $8. So the second trick for expensive looking curtains is to hang them tall and wide. I like to install mine at least 5 inches taller and wider than my window trim. Now for the curtain styling. These are the rings that will elevate your curtains. I ditched the clips though that came with the pack and instead hooked the rings directly to the back of the curtains. I don't love the white against this wall, so I switched it out for the green, and I am obsessed.
My favorite packing hack for moving cross country twice. Take a garbage bag, tear a hole in the middle of the bottom of the bag. Take a handful of hangers, feed them through. Now you can easily stack your clothes when packing and simply place them in your new closet, remove the bag, and you're done.
All right, I'm gonna show you guys one of my favorite paint hacks as I work on my next room makeover project, which is my fiance's office room. So we're gonna do a really fun black and white color block on this wall, and the trick to getting the crispest paint lines, even on textured walls, is to seal your tape with your base wall color. Once that's dried, go over it with your new paint color, and I'm telling you, this is a foolproof method for crisp paint lines.
Here's a quick hack my mom taught me on how to tie off your needle and thread. After you're all threaded up, take your ends, wrap them a couple of times around your pointer finger. Then, with your thumb and pointer finger, roll the thread all the way down so that it twists together. Then, when it's free, pull the end to secure your knot, and you're ready to go. So easy and way faster than tying it by hand.
Show me the life hack that you randomly saw one day that is now an unconscious standard practice in your life. I'll go first.
How do you remove hard water stains from shower glass doors? That is the #1 question I get as a house cleaner. And I am here to tell you my secret. I use Barkeeper's Soft Cleanser and a steel wool grade 0000. Very important. Any other grade of steel wool will scratch your glass. And just so that you can see how amazing this works, I'm going to do a small section and show you a side-to-side comparison. Just look at that. Amazing. Another great tip I can give you as a house cleaner is clean from top to bottom and left to right. This will make sure that you don't miss any corners. Once I've scrubbed everything, I use a wet rag to quickly take off all that soft scrub. That way, when it comes time to rinsing it, is a lot easier. And lastly, use some spray and a microfiber rag. And just like that, you have see-through glass shower doors. Now tell me, will you try this?
Did I get this bed to look so fluffy? The first secret is to use 2 duvet inserts. Add a throw blanket, then fold it over. Add 4 European shams, 2 standard decorative pillows, and there you have it, fluffy bed. Here are 5 ways to use vinegar for cleaning in your home. The first is your sink faucet. Tie a bag of vinegar around it and let it sit for 45 minutes and it's all clean. To clean your dishwasher with vinegar, put it in a cup, place it on the top rack, and run a normal cycle. Clean your drain stopper by soaking it in vinegar for 45 minutes. You can use vinegar to clean the hard water stains in your shower. Just spray it with vinegar, scrub it off until the stains are removed, then wipe it dry with a microfiber cloth. Lastly, you can brighten and soften your white laundry by putting vinegar in the fabric softener drain.
Show me the life hack that you randomly saw one day that is now an unconscious standard practice in your life. I'll go first.
Here to get clean my super disgusting stuck on microwave stains with just a lemon and some water, so let's give it a try. I got a bowl and a cup of water in it, grabbed a lemon. I was told you need to get it all mushy, so I just kind of rolled it around for a minute, which felt weird, but I did it. Cut it in half, squeezed it all the juice, then chucked it all in the microwave for 5 minutes. After letting it rest another 5, I pulled it out and it was steamy in there. I started wiping it all with a paper towel and it was super easy to clean. All the dried on stains and weird smell came right out. It looks perfect now. I'll definitely use this again.
Show me the life hack that you randomly saw one day that is now an unconscious standard practice in your life. I'll go first. Show me the life hack that you randomly saw one day that is now an unconscious standard practice in your life. I'll go first.